Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to share a powerful 30-day plan that can completely transform your English. This routine is made for students, professionals, homemakers, teenagers, and adults. Anyone who wants fast and natural improvement. You don't need books, you don't need expensive classes, and you don't need long hours. You only need consistency, a few minutes daily, and the right system. In next 15 to 20 minutes, I will guide you through the exact step that can shift your English level within a month. Follow this routine honestly and you will see a change in your speaking, understanding, vocabulary and confidence. Before we begin, let me share an idea behind this routine. Most people try random method for learning English. One day they study grammar, another day they watch an English video, and then they stop for a week. That's inconsistency destroy progress. So this 13 days routine is designed to build daily touch with the language in a small simple step. English grows when you expose yourself to the language every single day. You don't need perfection, you need consistency. And this routine give you exactly that, a simple path that slowly build your fluency. The 5 days are focused on creating a connection with the language. During these days, your goal is not to speak perfectly, but to make English flow naturally in your mind. Spend a few minutes every morning and evening listening to simple English content. Let your brain adjust to the sound, the rhythm, and the tone. When you hear English daily, your mind becomes comfortable and less afraid of the language. This stage is crucial because it prepares your brain for the next step. Do not force yourself, just build familiarity. After 5 days, your mind becomes more ready to understand. In this phase, focus on improving your comparison. Try to listen more attentively. Notice how sentence flow, how speaker express idea, how they connect word and how naturally they speak. Do not worry about every word. Your goal is to understand the overall message. Improve your English ability and help you think faster in English. When your understanding improve, speaking become 10 times easier. Now we enter the most important stage. These 5 days are about building small speaking habit. Every day, take a few minutes to speak in simple English. You can speak about your day, your plan, your feeling, your thought, or anything on your mind. What you say does not matter. The act of speaking matter. Speaking remove hesitation, build confidence, and train your tongue to create English sound smoothly. The goal here is to reduce fear and become comfortable with your own voice in English. At this point, a strong routine has formed. Now we add more clarity and structure to your speaking. Begin to express your idea in slightly longer sentences. Try to organize your thought before speaking. This help you become a more confident and clear. Also, keep listening to English daily because listening continues to support your speaking development. The combination of listening and speaking together create powerful progress. You will notice that English start feeling lighter and smoother in your mind. These are days when you start feeling real transformation. You begin to think faster, speak with more ease, and understand English without translating. Continue speaking daily, but then now focus on speaking calmly and clearly. When you speak slowly and confidently, your mind relaxes and find the right word more easily. Confidence grows when you feel in control. And when you speak with control, your natural flow improve automatically. This stage is where many learners begin to feel that they are finally become fluent. In the final stage, your goal is to combine everything you have practiced: listening, speaking, understanding, and confidence. These last 5 days are about polishing your fluency. Speak with intention, listen carefully, observe your own progress. Notice how far you have come in 13 days. You will realize that English no longer feel like a burden. It feel like a part of your daily routine. This is the moment when transformation become real because you have built a habit that will stay with you forever. The real power of the routine is not the step. It's the discipline you build through a small daily action. English improves naturally when you touch it every day, even for a minute. You don't need heavy grammar. You don't need huge vocabulary. You only need daily exposure, calm practice, and simple consistency. This is the secret behind fast and long lasting fluency. To follow this plan honestly, after 30 days, you will understand English faster, you will speak with confidence, you will think with less hesitation, you will express yourself more clearly, and most importantly, you will feel proud of your progress. Remember, English is not learning in one jump. It's a learn through a small step repeated daily. And this routine give you those steps. Thank you so much for waiting. If you like this 30 days transformation plan, make sure to give this video a like, share with your someone who want to improve their English, and subscribe to English for more powerful lesson. I believe in you and I know you can become fluent. Stay consistent, stay positive, and I will see you in the next video.